Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about virtual data room compliance and navigating regulatory challenges. Virtual data rooms are secure online repositories for storing and sharing confidential information. Why is VDR compliance important? VDR compliance is important because VDRs are often used to store and share confidential information that is subject to regulatory requirements. For example, VDRs may be used to store and share financial information, trade secrets, and customer data. Common regulatory challenges. Some common regulatory challenges that businesses may face when using VDRs include data privacy laws. Many countries have data privacy laws that regulate the collections, use, and sharing personal data. Businesses need to make sure that their VDR complies with all the applicable data privacy law. Security regulations. Businesses that are subjected to security regulations such as the Securities and Exchange Act 1934 need to make sure that their VDR complies with all applicable securities regulation. For example, businesses may need to maintain certain records of accesses to the VDR. Industry-specific regulations. Some industries have a specific regulation that may be applied to the use of VDRs. For example, the healthcare industry is subject to HIPAA regulations, which protect the privacy of patients and health information. How to ensure VDR compliance. Business can take a number of steps to ensure VDR compliance, including choose a compliant VDR provider. Make sure to choose a VDR provider that offers a compliant VDR solutions. Compliant VDRs will typically offer features such as encryptions, access control, and audit logging. Develop a VDR compliance policy. Businesses should develop a VDR compliance policy that outline the procedures that employees must follow when using the VDR. The policy should cover topics such as data access, data security, and data retention. Train employees on the VDR compliance policy. Business should train employees on the VDR compliance policy so that they understand their obligations. Monitor VDR activity. Businesses should monitor VDR activity to identify any potential compliance issues. Best practices for VDR compliance. Here are some of the best practices for VDR compliance. Only grant access to VDR authorized user. Use a strong password and enable two-factor authentications for all VDR users. Restrict access to specific documents and folders based on user roles and monitor VDR activity regularly to identify any suspicious activity. Keep the VDR software up to date with the latest security patches. And last conclusions. VDR compliance is important for businesses that use VDRs to store and share confidential information. By following these tips above, businesses can minimize the risks of VDR compliance violations. So that's all everyone. I hope you understand this topic. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.